Shall we begin?
So when I was a little boy, my mom always tell me about flour glue. I didn't know how she make it, but I used to use it as a little boy, and I've now decided to give it a try, how to make glue with flour. All it requires is just the flour, put it into some water and dissolve out the lumps. You're going to put it in boiling water. So just want to dissolve out the lumps. So in the boiling water, you turn off the flame. You're going to pour in the flour. Kids, if you're doing this, please get adult supervision. And there you have it. This is the glue. So I'm going to put it to the test and see how it operates. You allow it to cool, and then you should have your glue. Once cool, you pour in. There is my glue. Put on your glue. Alright, so sorry about that. I want to apologize to all my subscribers. I have not been on my channel for a while. These things do happen, but I do hope going forward it will not reoccur. I think it's about a month and a half I haven't been on the channel. So what I'll do though, I'll try to fix a day for my uploads. I'll try to make the uploads at least every Tuesday. So that's the day I'm working with, that I'll make the upload for every Tuesday. Alright, so sorry again guys for this long delay, but I'm up and running. There's the finished product. Thumbs up. Allow it to dry. The glue works best with paper. The link to my last video is on the right. Share, like, and subscribe to find out what I'm up to next. Be good, be safe, but most of all, be productive. I'm out.